Got a 2021 Jeep Wrangler Sahara 4xe, so we run up to 20 miles on electric. Leather seats. It has the Falcon Wild Peak all-terrain tires, so it's got 5 of those. If it's a Jeep, you gotta have one on your spare. Charging point. This one's got a really cool feature. Let me show you. It has a power convertible top. So with just a push of a button, we are now a convertible. Top's all the way back. All you have to do is push a button. Alright, now we're just going to roll it up, or power it up. Top close. It's that easy. Push of a button, convertible top for your Jeep.